Okay, so today we're testing out Members Mark all white meat Southern style chicken nuggets. They come in the frozen section of Sam's Club. It's the Sam's Club brand. And speaking of brand, I have Brandon
Hello.
and Ben here to taste these with me. Now, Brandon's from California. He knows the nugs. Chick-fil-A.
I'm in.
He knows.
So,
And Ben has never had this, so it'll be a treat for him. Okay, so we're gonna see. We've heard that these are similar to
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A nugs, but in Hawaii we can't get that, and at a $12 price point, we'll see. We do have the Chick-fil-A sauce, so we're gonna see how it compares. Let's dive in, shall we? Let's dive in. Okay. Well, everyone take a dip. Everyone take a dip, and then we'll go at the same time. Ready? Set, go. That's similar.
Yeah. I would say similar.
That's very similar.
I think there could be more bread on the outside to make it more similar, but the taste is there.
Considering that these have been baked and not fried.
Yeah. Maybe we can fry it on the table.
Similar. It is similar.
Yeah.
Because it is all white meat. And there are those little irregular shaped nuggets.
But the thing is, like, do they sell them on Sundays? Because then it'd be like authentic. Because Chick-fil-A's not open on Sunday. You know what I mean?
Maybe just don't cook them on a Sunday, you know?
Yeah, like the salad.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, not too bad.
What do you think? What's your rating out of 10?
I'm doing like a 6.
I'm gonna go 7. I think they're a good alternative.
Until
I've
we
never
get
had
the
it, but what's your
Chick-fil-A.
rating?
I give it an 8.
Wow.
I think they taste
Okay.
like real chicken.
They
instead
do.
of
This does not taste like
McDonald's.
pulp that's been like re-put into a nugget.
What kind of pulp?
Chicken pulp. It tastes like white meat, like real chicken. I'll show you. I'll open it up.
Make sure you get the steam in there.
What are you opening up? That's
See,
it.
that's
Real
real
white
chicken. That is a real chicken.
It's real white meat.
Real white,
white
white meat.
Wow.
So, there you go. Members Mark. Pretty good. Thumbs up.